First time I ever came back to Boston as a feature performer, star, was in this production of Fiddler on the Roof. I think the very first performance was in Hyannis. Did a week there, and then went to Beverly to play a week. I was thrilled to be there. I was a little sad that it wasn't right in the heart of the city. I did that much later, played the Wilbur Theater downtown Boston. But it was very exciting to come back to the area in that wonderful role. We had a wonderful production, and it was thrilling every night. My folks came, and they didn't understand what Star Trek was all about. They just didn't get it, which I understood. It's not their cup of tea, that they don't understand about science fiction, that whole milieu. What they knew was that I was making a good living. I was a success. They knew that. Kids would come around to my father's barbershop and ask for a Spock haircut. And he had a picture of me as Spock hanging on a mirror. So he gave them a bang cut, you know. But it was thrilling for them thrilling for me to have them there, family, to come and see this production. And I was pretty good. I was a good Tevye. I think I surprised a lot of people because I had a sense of what it was. I really understood the material. It was pretty much the story of my own family. You know. The only difference being that in Fiddler on the Roof, the family is ordered to leave their village. They're ordered to leave Anatevka. And in my story, our family snuck out of Zaslav. They weren't ordered to leave. They snuck out readily. So that was the only difference. But the rest of it, the lifestyle and the ethics and the social pressures and needs and so forth and the culture was the same as what I grew up with. So I was totally at home in Fiddler on the Roof. I did it an 8-week tour in that particular production. I did it again some months later in a production in Atlanta, Georgia. Totally at home.